When you don't see plastic protectors on the hardware, think twice. It can be a returned piece. If you want to know why I returned my newly purchased Chanel Reissue 255 Walk, stay tuned! For those who are thinking of starting their Chanel handbag collection with the Reissue 255, this bag was created by Coco Chanel herself in February 1955, thus the name 255. In 2005, it was recreated by Karl Lagerfeld in commemoration of the 50th anniversary of the original 255, thus the name Reissue 255. Hi everyone! First of all, this is not a rant video but rather sharing with you how I carefully inspected the Reissue 255 walk that I bought from Chanel Boutique in Frankfurt and yet taking home a defective piece. As I've mentioned, this bag was created depicting the life of Coco Chanel growing up in the convent. That's why this bag is the most iconic bag to the fashion house. 255 changed the history of bags. I did my homework. I researched long for this bag purposely to know where exactly I should check for possible defects. First thing to check is the chain. It was said that the jewelry type of chain used in 255 was derived from the chain used by caretakers of the convent where Coco Chanel grew up, and that was to hold the keys dangling from their waist. I checked this. It was in perfect condition. Second is the lock. This turn lock is called the Mademoiselle lock in reference to Coco Chanel never marrying. I checked this, it was in good condition, but no plastic protector. Next to check is the leather. Chanel used aged calfskin leather here, which I like for more vintage look. I checked this for possible pop stitches, scratches, corners, outer pocket. They're all good. Fourth is the brownish red interior lining. It was said that the color represents the color of Coco's uniform in her then convent. Main compartment, checked. Zipper pockets, checked. And lastly, is it made in France? Yes, it is made in France. Paid it and took it home. So, what then did I miss? Even this pocket here, I checked in the store. I didn't see any defect. But when I was done with the unboxing at home and I was trying to look for the code, I saw the scratches. It was deep. It damaged the leather big time. With a heavy heart, I returned my historic Reissue 255 walk and I replaced it with this classic in caviar leather with interlocking CC logo in silver hardware, plastic protector still intact. This is the new version of Classic Walk with magnetic closure. Zipper pulls can be locked in place, which I find a great improvement versus the Reissue's dangling zipper pull. Same brownish red interior lining. The interior leather parts are all in caviar. The only downside is this is made in Italy. That's just my preference, it to be made in France, but it's okay. Surprisingly, this classic walk is priced 50 euros lower than the 255 reissue. Guess the extra 50 euros on the reissue is for the jewelry-like chain. It was really stunning. My essay gave me this clip to shorten the length of the shoulder chain. Thank you, Eric! Now the mod shots. Left is the actual length, which sits way below my hip bone. Right is how it looks like when shortened using the clip. For reference, I'm 5 feet 3 inches tall. As for my final thoughts, Reissue 255 will always have my heart, but at the end of the day, we should still want to spend our money on a quality product. Despite the disappointment, I'm still happy my purchase ended well, and I will just continue admiring the reissue from afar. If you find this video helpful, I would love if you'd give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe and hit that notification bell icon. I would love to have you back here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe. Bye!